So describe the depth of the GFC for you and the business more broadly. And reflecting back on it now, some of the lessons learned perhaps, were there any that you can draw on now?
Yeah, I think it really came out the importance of downside protection at the end of the day, and what that creates for you in the opportunity. We beat the markets by 20 percentage points in those days, and we had a philosophy around capital preservation, and we had done some certain things in the strategy leading up to that, and we'd gone to some cash in the strategy in that. But really, it gave us a wonderful opportunity during the GFC to really take advantage of the situation, and we had some firepower to put to work in early 2009. So the first lesson is capital preservation really matters. At the end, it was a core of our philosophy, and we added some elements as we saw how things correlated to what we'd have to do additionally in our sort of risk management framework inside the strategy. And the other one was about being in business. We had $100 million of capital at the time when the GFC hit. We weren't making any money, and it wasn't pretty in terms of the business point of view, but the fortress balance sheet we had meant we could go through that period without a lot of concern. Our share price got down to 34 cents. And there were three buyers at 34 cents or 36 cents. I subsequently found out one was myself. I guess I had no choice but to buy. And the other two people I found who bought were my mother and my mother-in-law. So
the faithful.
so maybe the ultimate sort of faithful people there. But we were never worried about going out of business. And we have a very, very strong balance sheet at Magellan. We have an aversion to have any debt. And I think leverage is, I have an aversion personally to leverage, and there were some real lessons of people who got taken out. Had they not had leverage, it all would have been fine in the end, but leverage just takes you out of the game at the wrong time, and so that would be another lesson.